These are some of the Evolve Stone key advantages. Evolve Stone is moisture impermeable. The product picks up less than 1% water. Cementitious products hold upwards of 10 to 20%. Evolve Stone is easily installed. Evolve Stone installs with a standard finish net. Evolve Stone contains infused color throughout. Color-infused material makes cuts, chips, or blemishes virtually unnoticeable. Evolve Stone has excellent weatherability. Evolve Stone shows minimal to no effects regarding UV, freeze-thaw, and salt spread. Installation speed. We have redefined installation times upwards of 10 times faster when compared to traditional artificial stone veneer. Evolve Stone requires no specialized labor training. Evolve Stone is lightweight. Our product weighs approximately 2 pounds per square foot, making installation, staging, and transportation simple and easy. Evolve Stone comes in pre-portioned, engineered styles. The pre-portioned, engineered styles makes the pattern come to life one box at a time. Evolve Stone. Nailed it.